Hi there, welcome back to Titan Web Basics. Today we're going to be talking about the project settings, where to find them, and what you can do from those settings. Okay, so here we go. I'm just going to open up the builder here. And as you can see, here is our website that we're building. And if we go over here to the left-hand side and click on the gear icon, we get our project settings. So from here, first off, you can decide what you want to name your project. And you can see that's up here on top. Then you have the site URL and then the description. So you can write a description of your website. And also you get to, know here if this is already a published site or if this is something you're still working on. You can also decide what the site orientation you want is, if you want it to be left to right or right to left, depending on the language that you're using. The next thing we have here is user access. So this determines the ways in which your users can access your site. So that's either through logging into the site directly using SmartV or SSO, or they can access it via Salesforce. So it could be through a Salesforce Canvas or a Salesforce Lightning Web Component if you want to have them coming into the website through Salesforce as a Salesforce user. The next thing we have here is tools. So these are development tools that are going to help you while you're building your website with debugging it and making sure that everything's running correctly. So we have here debug mode, which of course will show you certain things that your users wouldn't normally see when you're running the website. So if you click on that, that's going to show some of your hidden fields and other features that you're working on as a developer in the preview before you're actually publishing it to outside users. You also have custom JavaScripts that will help you see the custom JavaScripts, custom styles, custom head, enable versions, so that will allow you to see the different versions um, of the site that you've been working on, custom parameters, and custom fonts. Of course, we're going to go into all of these separately in individual videos. And then you have site elements. So here you can choose a custom favicon. So if you'd like to have a picture uh, on the tab in your user's browser, so that can be from here. Custom loader if you want something special graphics or something special to happen when the website is loading, you can do that right from here. As you can see, each time I press the toggle, it will now illuminate the settings for that particular element. And then, of course, a custom 404 page. So you can design your custom 404 page. I just clicked on it, and now it gave me the 404 page. If I click on settings, I can then go ahead and configure that. The last thing we have here in project settings is Salesforce. So this is going to be where we first off, connect to our Salesforce account that we're pulling all the data from, and also where we're going to set up all of our pushes and all of our gets to and from Salesforce, and that we're going to cover much more in depth in later videos. Thanks a lot. Stay tuned for more.